When I thought it was over, you were still there, Lord. Yeah. I cried in the midnight hour, felt like I was drowning deep. Everybody walked away from me, but your promises still speak. I carry pain nobody saw, smiled while my heart was weak, but you held me through the fire when I could not even breathe. And when my strength was gone, you carried me along. Now I know I was never alone. He never left me, even in my darkest night. When the tears kept falling, Jesus held me tight. I should have broken, I should have lost my mind, but mercy found me right on time. He never left me, no, no, no. He never left me. Somebody listening right now feels forgotten and ashamed, but the God who raised the dead still knows your name. You may feel too far gone, too hurt to believe, but grace is still reaching for the broken and the weak. There's healing in His name, power in His name, freedom in His name. Jesus, Jesus. He never left me through the storm and through the pain. When the world went silent, Jesus still remained. I'm still standing. That's how I know it's true. If He did it for me, He can do it for you. He never left me. Oh, no, no. He never left me. I almost gave up, I almost walked away, but heaven kept fighting for me. I almost let go, but God said not today. Now I've got a testimony. He never left me, even when I lost my way. His love came and found me and washed my shame away. Now I'm singing for the whole world to hear. Jesus stayed with me through every tear. He never left me, no, no, no. He never left me. He never left me. Never left me. Jesus never